Hi friends, I'm Anjali. Welcome back. Now today we will learn to draw a Pokemon. I'm sure all the children love to watch Pokemon on television. So let's draw a Pokemon. Today we will learn to draw a Squirtle. You must be aware of this name. Now start. While learning while learning how to draw, let us know some facts also about Squirtle. Do you know Squirtle is a water Pokemon? It is a water Pokemon. Now you, while drawing, be sure that you have to draw the eyes below the half circle. Just make sure that you divide the circle into two parts and then draw the eyes. The eyes should be equal. Now, as you know that Squirtle it has a shell. Now this shell not only protects it, but it helps him in swimming also. Now Squirtle was introduced in first generation. It is also known as Zenigame. This name is given in Japan. It was designed by Otsuko Nishida. Now while drawing its hands, it should be almost equal or a little bit bigger than the size of the mouth, size of the face. This is a hand. Now take an average that the leg should also be almost equal or a little bigger than the hand. Now Squirtle evolves into water turtle in level 16 and then gradually evolves into Blastoise at level 36. Now while drawing this circle, first draw the line to enclose the shell. Now this line includes the shell. This part is the shell of the square. Now take now draw the second hand. So the length of the hand should be approximately equal to the right one. Now these are the fingers. Now the leg also should be almost equal to the right leg. These are the toes of the squirtle. The lower level of both the feet should be equal. Now let's complete the circle. This is the body of now divide here from the middle, from the center, draw a small line and divide it this way. Now at the back also draw the lines which cover the shell part. Now let's draw a tail. So here the square tail is complete. Now draw the outlining with the sketch pen. You can use marker also. First draw the outline, then we will color the square tail with pencil color. As you know, the color of a square tail is blue. The body is blue. The shell is light brown, dark brown. Now, let us know some weaknesses also of this square tail. Its weaknesses are grass and electricity. These two things are not good. squid. Now, I've used pencil colors to shade this. Hope you enjoy it. Meet in the next session. Goodbye.